Happy St. Patrick's Day! St. Patrick's Day is an old Irish tradition where everyone has to wear green to not get pinched. Oh, I know Shelley, yeah. Unfortunately, Shelley and all her other buddies, they getting pinched with plastic every single day. So today we have our Shore Buddy Ocean Ambassador Mikaela showing us how to have a plastic-free St. Patrick's Day. So may all your blessings outnumber the shamrocks that grow and avoid plastic wherever you go. Happy St. Paddy's Day!
With Shore Buddies, and today we'll be making a green St. Patrick's Day leprechaun chef with all reused materials we find around the house.
We're totally gonna catch the leprechaun this year.
Yeah, let's get to it. The first step in making a leprechaun trap is to find a good box. A shoebox, for example, works great. And once you get your really good box, you can decorate it. We spray painted ours green, for example, so the leprechaun will love to go inside. Once you've decorated the outside of your box, you gotta decorate the inside, so the leprechaun will really want to go inside. And one thing for sure that I know leprechauns love is gold. And these gold nuggets will work great. All I need is some rocks. I found these outside our house, and some gold paint. We're using a spray paint. Then, just spray paint them. And that's it. Then, the next thing you need that I also know leprechauns absolutely adore is food. But not just any food. Lucky Charms. We just got a little reusable bowl. And put some in. That, I know for sure that the leprechaun will definitely go inside. You can even sprinkle some on the outside. You can even make a trail.